Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to activate the raining tacos in Phase 8. So in this latest classic event update, you can activate natural disaster by yourself without waiting for the 2-hour random event. And yes, that includes the raining tacos. And here's how to do it. First, just head over to the classic island like this. And then next, just go to this yellow machine near the pool or the lake like this at the classic island, and then just tap on it, and then just choose this raining tacos. And to activate it, you need 5,000 ticks, so make sure you have enough before starting. And once you are ready, just tap activate and the raining taco will begin, and it will look like this. Now it's raining tacos like this, it will look like this. And during this raining tacos, you will have a chance to catch taco fish, which is one of the requirements to unlock the taco rod skin. So if you are farming for that skin, this is the fastest way to do it. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.